Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I am currently short in Bitcoin in 3 positions. I'll start here on the daily for a top down, and I'll walk you through what I have trading currently. So here on the daily chart, if we zoom in here, right here. So here on the daily chart, there was a price level right here at this swing high here. You may be able to see there's a blue dotted line going across here. It's really thin, but it was this swing high here. And on Monday, that swing high here was closed above. So this would trigger me to look for a potential short trade here off the daily. Yesterday, price action delivered to the sell side, and I was able to take a long down here and take profits up here. We'll get into that shortly down here on the 60 minute. And then that was to trade into this, where you see this blue rectangle here. This is a fair value gap. I wanted to trade into that. Also here, this blue, this green candle here, this is an order block right here. So with these two in conjunction here, I want to use those to take a short position here. And you can see price action delivered to the buy side this morning inside of this fair value gap. And then this is when I was able to take 2 short positions here, one targeting the sell side liquidity resting right here at the low of this price action area, and then if I back up, targeting the sell side liquidity from previous session from what is this? This would be probably August. So there's sell side liquidity here and sell side liquidity resting right here. So 2 sell side liquidity zones on the daily chart that I want to target with these 2 positions here. And I'll walk you through the positions. So the first position that I put on here, this was for the longer target. As you can see here, targeting this sell side here. And then for the second position, I went for a target for the near side sell side liquidity. That's right here. You can see my take profit is here for this sell side. And my stop loss is, as you can see right here, stop loss is based on this level right here, which is the order block candle right here. You can see stop loss here. So 2 different stop losses. So for this shorter trade, I'm using the swing, or actually using the fair value gap candle, and for the longer position, for the stop loss, I'm using the actual order block high itself here. And I may take, or I may add to my short position here on the day, here on the 60 minute, I don't think it will put it in, but here on the 15 minute, there's a level here. There's a swing high right here. This candle or the next candle closes above it. I may be interested in adding to my short position, but we'll get back to that here shortly. But just observing that in real time and bringing your attention to it. So this is what I see here on the daily chart. Now here on the 60 minute chart. So yesterday I was able to take these positions here, one position here, and then another 2 positions here for this buy side delivery here. I'm looking for a sweep of this level. I was also looking to trade into this fair value gap up here on the daily chart. But I've observed when I'm trading in one direction and then looking for my next trade in the opposite direction. My preference is to exit before my entry into the opposite direction. Just psychologically, it feels a bit uncomfortable. Also, if I'm in a trade, my bias is going to be towards that trade. It's really difficult to, for me at least, to get into the mindset of the trade that I am attempting to take. So I like to exit my trades and then wait for the next trade to set up without interference or, let's say, thinking of doing two things that are the opposite at once, if that makes any sense. But these three positions here, I took an exit right here. And then if I zoom in here, these two positions right here are the same as these two here, and this position here is the same as this position here. So this is the short here on the 15 minute, here also on the 60 minute. So this was based off of my short bias on today. And then for this trade, I used a stop loss back here on the 60 minute. To go back here a ways. Here. $13,935. So you can see my stop loss is based off of this fair value gap right here. There's a fair value gap back here that I'm basing my stop loss off of this swing high here, this fair value gap. And if this holds, my target for today, cover it here. So today's target will be here. So I'm targeting, there's an order block right here. There's this order block right here. I want to target this order block. I may change this order because I'm pretty high up on the order block here. I don't mind it, but I could trade this lower here. 322, 463. Yeah, I'm gonna change this order here, and I'm gonna go for a sweep of the body here. So I want to be near the open price with this order. So I'm going to go down a little lower here, 111, 4639. Okay, let's dig a little deeper here. Tap into the body of this order block. Yep, that's the open. But it's the open price. I anticipate price to come back to this open price, but it certainly doesn't have to. I'm going to leave the order there for actually I'm going to move this order back up, 5571.9. I like to really pinpoint my targets, but at the same time, trying to be so exact and so precise on everything all the time can certainly lead to missing targets and things like that. So I'm trying to get into the habit of just choosing easy targets and easy entries. For example, up here on the daily chart, for these positions, I could have waited or can still wait until maybe a potential rebalance of this fair value gap. But the fair value gap does not need to rebalance in order to trade in my direction. So it would be risky. It would be a better risk to reward, but also could be no risk to reward if I'm not able to gain entry into a position. Trying to be too precise can lead to failure in quite a few different areas, whether or not it's entries, taking profits, or a multitude of things. So with all the other stresses or stressors or other things involved with trading, I've just decided to try to do a better job of keeping things on the simple side and relatively on the easy side as far as in decision making. For trading history, these positions here, these are the overnight positions that were for the long position that I took off of the 60-minute from yesterday into today. And this position here, this is the short position that I took this AM that failed when I jumped in early. And go back out and zoom out on that here on the 15-minute. So I got in early by mistake here. I thought that the 60-minute candle had closed, but it didn't. So I wound up taking this entry and taking a stop out prematurely here. And I would, maybe it was FOMO. I was looking to get into the trade, but I was, when I saw the candle close on the 15-minute, my mind just was like, okay, enter. But then even after I realized it, I didn't take the position off just in case it still worked. So I made a mistake and then just went with it. May have been better just to exit in advance of losing the full position. But something to consider, and I'll definitely try to do a better job of making sure candles are closing on the correct charts before I take any entries or exits or things like this. But it'll be interesting to see how price action delivers here for the remainder of the day. I am anticipating for Bitcoin and potentially market-wide for sell side delivery down to about this level here. So I would anticipate some sell side, probably some consolidation here as price trades into this order block, and then likely a continuation down to this level into this order block, and potentially even lower into this order block. So lots of opportunity here for Bitcoin to deliver to the sell side today. As you can see, price here on the 15-minute has just been consolidating here in this upper range. I would anticipate, as we're approaching the New York lunch hour, that sometime in and around this area we'll likely see price start to deliver to the sell side here. If you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade safe.